Hey guys, Rotten DNA here, Logan.
Chaz.
And today we're going to do the Bomb Beyond Insanity hot sauce. And we're going to put it, and we're going to put a cheese stick inside the hot sauce. So we're going to put the hot sauce inside
The Bomb.
the Bomb. Yeah.
Beyond
Insanity.
Insanity. Yes. So this is probably going to be some pretty hot stuff. So we got our cheese stick here. And let me open that. There we go. Gonna rip it in half. Half for him, half for me. Did you grab your puke bag?
Oh no, I did not.
Alright.
Thank
So
you.
alright. So we're ready to dip this into the hot sauce. And then the first one to drink basically loses.
Yep.
Okay, let me see yours. Oh yeah, there's some hot on there. There you go.
Thank you.
You can show them, show everyone.
Look at that.
All right, there we go. There we have it. It's the Bomb Insanity. I got it all over my cheese stick. So doesn't Logan.
Yep.
We'll count down from 3, and we'll have our moments. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's gross. You even put it in your mouth.
How was it?
Bad.
Bad.
I think I need a drink.
All right, so that's the Bomb. Beyond Insanity. I kind of knew what it was. That's why mine is still here. He thought I was eating it. Tell him what you're going
It's so
through.
hot.
Tell him how bad.
It's hot. I need a drink.
He thought this was going to be the easiest challenge. That's why I did that. That's why I did that. You're shaking the camera, dude. Did you swallow it?
I couldn't.
Here goes a good piece of cheese. Remember that one chip challenge?
Not. I need it.
Okay. Tell us, how hot is it?
It's hot.
Is it worse than the ghost pepper challenge?
No.
No?
No?
So you're saying that's still hotter?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that cheese tastes very good. You guys want me to do it? I don't think I'm gonna. Alright, I'll take a little bit. Alright. Ooh, that's hot. That's some hot stuff there.
Mm-hmm.
Tell them how it is.
I can't. It's too hot.
Alright. I'll have a little more. Oh, that one is a hot one, isn't it?
Yes. It's hot.
That is super hot. Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. We're back. My mouth is burning.
Yeah.
He's not in good shape.
You okay?
Mm-mm.
You want to go? You want something to eat?
I'm good.
Whew. That was pretty hot.
Can I have more milk?
Yeah.
You better break out that old sour milk. So what do you think about that challenge, dude?
It's hot. It's hot.
You ate yours?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't eat the hot end.
I know, I fooled him.
Oh, wow.
We do it for you guys. Tell them.
Hot.
Yeah, it was real hot. Tell you what, I only licked my fingers. And it was hot, huh?
Touch your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Wait until you have to go to the bathroom, bud. You're touching your, hey, it burns. Trust me, I've done it before.
It's bad.
Well, there's a nut challenge we're going to be doing soon, too. I guess it's really hot nuts. I guess we'll see about that one, right? How you feeling? It's going away, right?
No.
My poor bug, he's sweating. He's got tears.
What's the matter? You getting sick?
No, he's just like, oh no, there's only a little bit of milk left.
That's it.
No.
From our house to your house, right? So kind of explain the terror you're in right now.
I can't. It's too hot.
He's so hot.
Why'd you put so much in your mouth for?
That's what was on the end.
That's some hot shit. Oh, you didn't do your research on this?
Mm-mm. We're back.
It is super hot. That's why I didn't eat it at all. But I guess I gotta stop being me and do my part, right?
Oh, I don't know if you should.
Alright, I don't. The bomb hot sauce. Beyond insanity. That's actually one of the hotter ones from them.
Oh, there's the ring.
Boy, it's hot.
Would you eat that? Oh.
That's some hot stuff there. It comes, it kicks right to you. You think you just bit off a piece of death, and that shit never goes away. He's underneath the faucet right now. We'll see if he wants more after. You coming, Bug?
I can't. I just can't.
I think the water's making it worse for you.
He's got to hold it in there.
He's trying.
It's super hot, so I know for him, it was like 3 times, 4 times hotter than the normal person can take their hotness. But earlier when I showed him the bottle, he was like, oh, that's going to be the easiest challenge I ever had. So I kind of tricked him there a little bit. knowing it was going to be hotter than hell. Yeah, I know, I'm evil, right? I'm evil. Yeah, I don't think you'll trust me again next time.
Oh yeah, guys, it was really, really bad. Ah.
He'll be here soon. He'll let you know how bad it was for him. His experience. But no, I didn't let him take the whole beating. I already got the tears, the heat where you just want to die. It's coming. He just kind of got tricked and he didn't know what was going on, so it all came at once to him. How you doing over there, bud?
I'm doing good, but it's getting way better, but it's still fire.
So, that is the bomb challenge. Here, he already had a drink. He's done. I'm still eating mine. But he's having a hard time over there.
Jeez, you're not even gonna try it, Dad?
I did.
Oh.
I've been eating it. Actually, this is the last piece, and it's gone. I had as much as you did.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I just didn't take
You
it
know what
all
I
at
think?
once.
Ow.
He added all that was in the top. It was probably all the thick top stuff.
There's a narration of my mother, Miss Spielberg. Sometimes you need to hear that when you're taking stuff this intense, this hot. Oh, it's a rush. It really is. We do it for you. My heat just kicked in.
Oh, my head's been for the entire time.
Damn, you're eating bread like a squirrel and shit over here. Crackers.
It was bad, man.
Half gallon of milk. It is bad, but
Yeah. My mouth is still on fire. It doesn't go away. It just stays on fire.
well,
Wait,
people.
what's happening to the water? No.
Uh-oh. Is it running out?
Yes. What's happening?
We're running out of water.
He drank so much water, it's running out. Whew.
See?
Come on, people want to see you, bud.
I'm coming.
All right, here he comes, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, Pooey's still outside.
Here he comes.
Wow.
He's coming.
Pooey was still outside.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Tell everybody how it was.
It was bad. My mouth is still on fire. It didn't go away.
Don't waste it.
And
And what?
my mouth is on fire. My nose is on fire. Everywhere is on fire.
But it has calmed down a lot.
Yeah.
So there, you had it from Logan. Hot shit. Get it. And just remember, if you like this, you smash that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe.